Hi there, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will show you how to create a new student contact in Mautic. Let's get started. First, navigate to Mautic's contact database by clicking Contacts in the main menu. Here, you will see all the contacts in your CRM. If you want to create a new contact, there are two ways to go about it. You could click Quick Add in the top right-hand corner, and this will launch a pop-up form with all the different contact fields. The Quick Add feature is an easy way to create a contact when you only have minimal information to add, as all the fields are stored in one single form. When you've finished creating your contact, you can click Save at the bottom of the form. The second option for creating a contact is by clicking New in the top right-hand corner, and this will take you to a more robust contact builder. Here, all the form fields are separated into sections, making it easier to create detailed contacts. When you finish creating your contact, you can click Save and Close in the top right-hand corner, and the contact's profile will open automatically. Otherwise, you can click Cancel to be brought back to the contact database. Both options allow you to add information to the same form fields, but their layout is different. If you ever want to edit the contact, simply find its name in the contact database, click the drop-down menu, and select Edit. You can learn more about editing contacts in the Mautic CRM section of our website, which is higher-education-marketing.com. Thanks for watching!